Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I am decorating the bunny burrow den in Animal Jam. I actually don't know what this den is called, but over on my Instagram I ended up calling it the Enchanted Overgrown Burrow because it has a very overgrown garden theme to it. There is normal furniture in this den, but overall there's a lot of plants. I really love how this turned out and I hope you guys like it too. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I hope that you can based off my last video, but I ended up getting a new microphone this past weekend. I got the Blue Yeti Nano and I think the quality is really good. Let me know in the comments how you like it. I think it sounds so much better than my other videos, so I'm really excited to use this and I'm looking forward to actually being able to clearly hear my voice in videos. I always hated how my voice sounded because my old headset, like the microphone, was just so gravelly sounding, I guess. So I'm really liking how clear this sounds and hopefully this is much better than my first video. So I figured while this speed build is going, I would do a little bit of a story time because my god, I have had the craziest day. Well, I guess it's not that crazy, but it's just been one hell of a day and I want to talk about it. So I can't remember if I talked about this in my first video, but I am a college student. I am in my last semester, so I'm graduating soon and I just have a lot going on right now. It's final exam week next week. Everything's coming to an end. There's just a lot going on. I am in the process of moving out of where I'm currently living and there's just a lot. And so I was at class today and I drove there. Everything was perfectly fine. And then when I went back out to my car, it just decided not to start. I don't know what the problem was. The lights on my dashboard were turning on, but the engine itself would not come on. It would just click and nothing else would happen. And this isn't the first time this has actually happened with my car. This happened, I would say, almost a year ago now to the day. It just randomly wouldn't turn on. And we ended up towing it, and the place that we towed it to, they were like, yeah, we can't replicate this problem. Like, it's starting completely fine for us. And then it never happened again up until today. So I ended up calling campus police to see if they could come jump my car. And long story short, they came there and we still weren't able to get it started even after trying to jump it. So I had to leave it there and then Uber back to where I live. So I think my car having these issues was just the icing on the cake for me. There's just a lot of change taking place in my life right now. Like I said, I'm going to be graduating college. I am starting my life basically. I'm going to be moving soon. There's just a lot of things going on and this was just really difficult. I was not expecting this at all. My car literally worked fine when I drove it to class. So for it to randomly just not start, it was just a hectic day. And I've been thinking about it more now that it's been a couple hours since it happened. I think that this could be a good thing. It's like a blessing in disguise because I've been wanting a new vehicle. And maybe this is just the thing that will push me into actually doing it. So we'll see what ends up happening. But yeah, it was a crazy day. It was very long. I spent a long time in the parking lot, freaking out, trying to figure out what to do with my car. But yeah, I'm glad it's pretty much over now. So enough venting about my life. Back to the speed build. You could see that I decorated the top as like a garden. Now I am decorating the inside. I'm doing the second floor, so I think I put a furnace here with some wood, and then a dining table and some bookshelves, and then I tried to incorporate some of the plants in the inside. And then over on the second floor, I end up putting a couch with a TV, some plants, just a little sitting area. Like I said, I did make this an overgrown garden, but I also made it kind of like a house. So it's a mix of both. Like I said, I didn't really have like an idea of what I was going to do when I went into this, but I do really love how it ended up turning out. So I think that will conclude the voiceover portion of this video. Tomorrow on May 1st, I am announcing the winner of my solid giveaway, and then right after I post the winner for that, I am announcing my next giveaway. I don't want to spoil what the prizes are, but there are 5 prizes and there will be 5 separate winners. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to give back to some people. So yeah, I'd love to get people entered. If you want to go follow me, that is one of the requirements for entering. So if you want to go follow me, stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm really looking forward to hosting it, and yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna let the music play now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoy the story time type videos, please let me know. If you don't like it, please also let me know. I know that listening to people just complain can be a little bit annoying, and I do apologize. I've been thinking about doing this voiceover all day, even before the thing happened with my car, and like literally as it was happening, I was like, shoot, like what am I gonna do? Like I need to film my video, and then I was like, wait, I could talk about this in my video. So if this is annoying, I do apologize. Please let me know in the comments if you think it's annoying, because I don't want to keep doing this if you guys don't like it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and like I said, I'm just gonna turn up the music now.